If you're ready to ditch the brushes and rollers, a paint sprayer is the fastest way to transform furniture, walls, cabinets, even your whole house. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want a clean professional finish, today we're showcasing 6 powerful electric paint sprayers that bring speed, precision, and ease to every project. From compact models for tight spaces to high-capacity units for big jobs, this list includes versatile tools that spray stains, sealers, and even unthinned latex with ease. With options that offer adjustable patterns, nozzle selections, and simple cleaning, there's something here for every painter. So if you're upgrading your gear or starting your first project, keep watching. We're breaking down the top 6 paint sprayers built to make your painting faster and frustration-free. Let's get started. Number 1, InoKraft IK01101001 Electric Spray Paint Gun. Professional encouraging the InoKraft paint sprayer packs in pro-level performance with beginner-friendly ease. It features a 1200 ml container, 3 spray patterns, and 3 nozzles to handle anything from cabinets and doors to fences and furniture. Compatible with stains, sealers, and even thicker latex paints, it's a flexible tool for both interior and exterior jobs. It also comes with a full cleaning kit, so cleanup is just as smooth as the spray. If you want consistent results with less mess and effort, InoKraft makes it easy to paint like a pro, even on your first try. Number 2, MirrorZone GJLS WR2 Electric Spray Paint Gun. With 1000 watts of spraying power, the MirrorZone paint sprayer gets the job done quickly. Ideal for furniture, cabinets, and house walls, this sprayer is made for people who want quick results without overcomplication. Its design is easy to clean and user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners. Whether you're upgrading an old dresser or refreshing your living room, this tool delivers solid power and control for consistent, even coats every time. Number 3, Tilswall Alien 500 Electric Spray Paint Gun. The Tilswall paint sprayer is a favorite among DIYers for good reason. Lightweight and powerful, this HVLP spray gun offers 4 nozzles and 3 spray patterns for full control. Whether you're tackling walls, furniture, fences, or cabinets, this sprayer provides a smooth, professional finish. It's easy to clean and built to prevent clogging, so your weekend projects stay stress-free. If you want a tool that keeps things light but delivers solid results, Tilswall is a solid pick.
Number 4, Wagner Flexio 595 Electric Spray Paint Gun. The Wagner SprayTech Flexio 595 is built for serious versatility. It includes 2 specialized nozzles, one for large surfaces and one for fine details, and sprays unthinned latex paints without breaking the sweat. Fully adjustable power and flow settings mean you're always in control. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's a trusted name for pros and weekend warriors alike. Whether you're finishing a room or painting trim, the Flexio 595 brings control and comfort in one package. Number 5.
This Hill Electric Spray Paint Gun.
This Hill brings 1000 watts of high-performance spraying to your next project. With a large 1500 milliliter container, it's perfect for longer sessions on big surfaces. It comes with a brass nozzle, storage bin, and easy clean features for convenience. Whether you're painting furniture, garden pieces, or even your pet's doghouse, this sprayer handles detail and volume like a champ. Simple to set up and powerful to use, it's a great pick for everyday home improvements. Number 6, Batavia BSG0140 Ultra Electric Spray Paint Gun. The Batavia HVLP paint sprayer is a reliable tool that combines a 1200 milliliter container with 4 nozzles and 3 spray patterns, perfect for spraying walls, fences, doors, garden chairs, and more. It's designed to minimize overspray while giving even coverage, and cleaning it is a breeze. Whether you're doing touch-ups or full makeovers, Batavia gives you professional control without the learning curve, a must-have for homeowners and casual painters who want it done right.
Let's recap our top picks. Best all-in-one with cleaning kit, InoKraft paint sprayer. Best for beginner-friendly projects, MirrorZone sprayer. Best DIY sprayer with control, Tilswall paint sprayer. Best adjustability and brand trust, Wagner Flexio 595. Best for larger surface painting, this Hill paint sprayer. Best for clean finishes and furniture, Batavia HVLP sprayer. Top pick if you want versatility and ease in one package. The InoKraft paint sprayer stands out with its accessories, nozzle variety, and cleaning kit, all at a great value. Thanks for watching. Which paint sprayer fits your next project best? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more home upgrade tools and smart product picks. Until next time, happy painting.